Hey there! In today's quick and easy video, I'm going to make a chili cheese dog pot pie. Now these are all the ingredients we're going to use today. I've got my hot dogs, I've got some cheese, I've got our last jar of chili that we canned, and that recipe I did quite a while back. And then I've got some pie crusts here. So I'm going to get this all ready to go, and then I'll be back and show you how I put it all together. See you soon. Alrighty, so I've got my bottom pie crust in, and I cut up my hot dogs, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to have more than I need. My son is the one that normally does the pot pies around here, but I'll go ahead and open up that chili. Oh, that smells so good already. I'm really pretty anxious for this. All right. I'm going to throw all the hot dog pieces in here. And I'm going to throw all the cheese in here. This is really going to be one of those super easy meals. Just mix it all up, throw it in, throw it all together. We'll put the top on, and then I'll have to cut some vent holes in the top pie crust, and then we'll put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, but my husband likes the pie crust a little bit more done, so it'll probably be closer to 45 to 50 minutes. But, oh, and I forgot to show you the egg earlier, so I can do the egg wash on it. Let's see if we can get all this in here. I'm not sure how I'll be able to get it all in there. I might have to save half of it for, I don't know, let's see. Okay. Cheryl's bold, she's gonna go for it. Guys, that smells so good. And that was, like I said, our last jar of chili from the chili recipe I did quite a while back. I'm thinking maybe last September or something. I'm not real sure. No more cheese there. I want to get all that cheese. I love cheese. Okay. That's going to be a fatty for sure. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, top crust. These crusts make things so much easier to deal with. Okay, let's see. And I'll go ahead and put that all together, and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to put the egg wash on it. So I thought I'd bring you back just in time to see me finish giving this pot pie its egg wash. And I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And this baby's about ready to go in. So like I said, 350 for probably 45 to 50 minutes, because my husband likes a much crisper crust. So I'll see you when I bring this back out of the oven. All right, I just pulled this baby out of the oven, And I thought I'd try and get you a little bit of a close-up on it here. It looks and smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Oh my goodness. If they ever invent smell-o-vision, I'll be rich. Anyways, I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit, and then I will be back for the taste test, okay? See you then. All right, everybody, I am back and ready for the taste test. I just cut this piece off of there and put it on the saucer. Thought I'd give you a little close-up of that. I'm going to go over to the table and get a little taste of it. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Here it goes. Mmm. 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 Oh my goodness. If you love chili cheese dogs, you're going to love chili cheese dog pot pie. That is something else. You're going to love it, but only if you try it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, everybody. If you get any value out of my videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day now. Bye-bye.